She turned down his job offer politely. Option C, reject, is the meaning of turn down. The meeting was called off due to heavy rain. Option B, cancel, is the meaning of call off. He was brought up in a small village. Option A, raise, is the meaning of bring up. The police are looking into the matter carefully. Option B, investigate, is the meaning of look into. She decided to give up smoking. Option D, stop, is the meaning of give up. The exam has been put off till next week. Option A, delay, is the meaning of put off. The scientist carried out several experiments. Option C, perform, is the meaning of carry out. I ran into an old friend at the market yesterday. Option B, meet unexpectedly, is the meaning of run into. She has to look after her younger brother. Option D, take care of, is the meaning of look after. The car broke down in the middle of the road. Option A, stop working, is the meaning of break down. I came across an interesting article yesterday. Option B, find by chance, is the meaning of come across. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Option C, expect with pleasure, is the example of look forward to. We've run out of milk. Option B, have no more left, is the meaning of run out. He takes after his father in looks. Option D, resemble, is the meaning of take after. He didn't turn up for the meeting. Option A, arrive, is the meaning of turn up. It took her months to get over her illness. Option B, recover from, is the meaning of get over. They quarreled but soon made up. Option C, reconcile, is the meaning of make up. He picked up English quickly. Option A, learn casually, is the meaning of pick up. I can't put up with his rude behavior anymore. Option D, endure patiently, is the meaning of put up with. You should cut down on sugar for better health. Option B. Reduce the amount of. Is the amount of cut down? I can't make out what he is saying. Option A. Understand. Is the meaning of make out. The driver nearly ran over a dog on the road. Option A. Hit with a vehicle. Is the meaning of run over. After hours of argument, he finally gave in. Option C. Surrender. Is the meaning of give in. The plane took off on time. Option D. Rise into the air. Is the meaning of take off. The new law will bring about major changes. Option A. Cause to happen. Is the meaning of bring about. The teacher called on me to answer the question. Option B. Ask to speak. Is the meaning of call on. When his business failed, he had to fall back on his savings. Option D. Depend upon for support. Is the meaning of fall back on. He couldn't come up with a good excuse for being late. Option B. Produce or suggest. Is the meaning of come up with. Please carry on with your work. Option C. Continue. Is the meaning of carry on. The event turned out to be a great success. Option A, result in a particular way, is the meaning of turn out.